Hello my dear friends. So many people ask me how I made these beautiful book holders which were shown in my room tour video. So today I'm going to show you how to make these. So this is very easy to make. All you need is just a Kellogg's Cornflakes box. It's not mandatory to take this box, you can take any box. So the next step is to cut it. I'm going to show you the directions to cut it. So can you see these black lines? You just have to cut it along these lines. First here, then here and here. Mark these lines and then cut. So here I have cut this piece. After you have cut it, you just have to apply some colored paper on this side. So one color is done, and with this I am taking this contrast color. Let's paste it too. So I have covered it and I have punched some flowers with the same color I used here. Now let's apply them. So guys, I have applied the flower. Now let's apply this beautiful heart here. And our book holder is ready. Now let's keep our books in here. So here are my books. Let's keep them. So I have kept my books in here. This is a really easy organizer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.